In this video, we will demonstrate how to integrate performance data from ApsaraDB RDS with a self-hosted Grafana setup. First, let's explore the architecture and data flow of this solution to give you a better understanding of its functionality. We'll be using CloudMonitor to read and store performance metrics from ApsaraDB RDS instances. This data will be stored within CloudMonitor or in log service, and Grafana will pull this data from CloudMonitor to visualize critical metrics such as CPU usage, database connections, and more in customizable dashboards. These dashboards provide informative metrics for monitoring, similar to the one showcased here. Please note that utilizing CloudMonitor in this solution might incur additional costs. You can find detailed billing information on our website. Now, let's move on to the demonstration. We have set up an ApsaraDB RDS for PostgreSQL instance and a self-Grafana instance on ECS. Both resources are provisioned in the same region and availability zone to minimize network latency. Let's get started. Navigate the CloudMonitor console and create a namespace to store the monitoring metrics obtained from ApsaraDB RDS. You can customize the namespace name for management purposes. For metrics storage, you have two options, but we recommend choosing log service, which offers greater ownership and control. Additionally, you'll need to select a log retention specification that aligns with your needs. Keep in mind that this is a paid feature, and you will incur charges once it's set up. Next, configure the data source from which CloudMonitor should read data. Link the Alibaba Cloud account associated with the resources you wish to monitor, select the appropriate product, and choose the desired monitoring metrics. In this demonstration, we'll select all available metrics for ApsaraDB RDS for PostgreSQL. Now, configure CloudMonitor as the data source for your self-hosted Grafana. Click on Integrate Self-Managed Grafana and select either a public domain or a VPC domain, depending on your needs. It's advisable to choose a service domain related to the region where your Grafana instance is hosted. In our case, we'll choose a VPC domain in Singapore. Then, open Grafana and select Prometheus as the local database to store metrics collected by CloudMonitor. Complete all required settings, including user authentication and the service URL. You'll need to acquire the access key pairs for your Alibaba Cloud account during this configuration. Once everything is set up, save your configurations and start building your custom dashboards. For example, you can create dashboards to monitor CPU usage trends, database connections, and any other supported metrics. Additionally, you can customize the dashboard layout to display everything on a single page, just like the architecture example we discussed earlier. And there you have it. You have successfully integrated ApsaraDB RDS performance data with Grafana. Now you can monitor your database metrics effectively and gain valuable insights into your system's performance. By integrating ApsaraDB RDS with Grafana via CloudMonitor, you gain real-time visibility into your database performance while retaining full control over data storage and visualization. This setup empowers teams to proactively optimize resources and troubleshoot issues efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy monitoring.